All right, we have this toy box my son has had for a couple years now, which absolutely loves. It comes in handy so much just for all the little toys and everything in it. And you get these two little cute bins too that can go on top, or you can put them somewhere else. It is literally having a toy box make things in the room so much more easy. It is great material. It's like plastic material, and it goes nicely on carpet or hardwood or vinyl or whatever you might have. But this also serves as a dual purpose because you can put paper on here, and you can actually use this kind of like a whiteboard, like with dry erase marker, it will erase. And then you can put little pens or markers right in here, and you can have them doodle on it, and it's just so multifunctional, and it's just a space saver for some of the toys. And it's very deep, actually, it fits a lot in here. So we've had it for, like I said, a few years and absolutely love it.